This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by TidalHealth.
As the town of Ocean City continues to grow and evolve, so do the needs of the people who live, work, and visit there. And one aspect at the core of the growth and evolution of the city is access to quality and convenient health care.
And making this a reality is an exciting change within the TidalHealth family. It's a change that expands their services, extends their hours, and reimagines how healthcare meets the rhythms of the community. And here to explain more is Jenna Wright, an operations administrator with Your Docs In. Welcome to Historic Studio D.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
So tell us a little bit. You've got some changes coming to the West Ocean City Your Docs In and the 10th Street Townsend Medical Center.
Correct. So we are merging our West Ocean City Clinic into the 10th Street location in the Townsend Medical Center. So we will be closing the West Ocean City Clinic and moving all of our services over to 10th Street. That did take effect yesterday on the 8th.
Okay, so with that change, you're changing the hours up. How will that affect patient care?
So we're extending our hours. So we'll only have more access, longer hours for patients out in Ocean City. So we will be open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And we are open on the weekends, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. We are open most holidays. I always recommend you call or look up our website if you're not sure on a holiday if we're open or what our hours are. But we will be offering a little bit more extended hours there on that 10th Street location.
Wonderful.
Right. So tell us about the occupational health services that you have there.
So we offer, which is great for the town of Ocean City, as there are so many businesses out there. So we will continue to offer, as the 10th Street location did as well, DOT physicals, pre-employment physicals, drug screens, work comp injuries for those businesses. So we've already been speaking to a lot of local businesses and making sure that everybody is aware and knows what our hours are and when we're prepared. Most of our services for occupational health are available Monday through Friday, 8 to 4. But I always recommend local businesses reach out and we can give them more information and get them set up with us so that they can send in their employee and we're ready to go.
Now this move, or I guess consolidation, obviously is going to help folks who are visiting the city, live there.
Of course, yes.
How?
I think by moving, we're now in a better location. We're more in the core of Ocean City. There is a bus stop directly in front of us, so the Ocean City bus stop will be right there. So right now, we just want to make sure we get the word out to the community, as we're not really in the tourist season. So we just want to make sure that the community and the local patients are aware of our move and that they can still come visit us. We are right down the street from where we were before.
So what's the feedback been so far from the community? I mean, obviously you're shutting one down, so it kind of...
Right. So far, and we were open yesterday, so I got to speak to some patients yesterday, and it's been overwhelmingly positive. I think not just the move, but the overall merging between TidalHealth, AGH, Your Docs In, we're all becoming one family, one team, so access will only help moving forward. Patients will have additional access that they might not have had before, as we are all kind of combined. So we have, and we're always in the works of building those communication lines between primary care doctors, specialty doctors, the ER. So if someone comes in for us and we need to get them additional care, the more that we kind of all merge together and we're all under the same kind of health system there, it just opens up to better opportunities for our patients to get the care that they need.
And looking to the future, where do you see this helping just TidalHealth in general?
Again, I think just that as we start to all become part of that same health system, as a patient, your records will be all accessed under the same account. TidalHealth has my chart, so if you're seen at Your Docs In, or you're seen at an imaging center, or at a TidalHealth AGH primary care, you'll see that you can go in and access all that under TidalHealth My Chart. And as providers, we also then have easier access. So as a patient, if you come in and you say, I don't remember what medication I'm on, it's so much easier for us now that we're all together to be able to access that information for patients, because we know it's difficult. You were just seen at a facility and they gave you one med and maybe it wasn't working for you, and you came in and you don't remember what you were on, or you're on a lot of meds, and a lot of patients don't always remember. So those things will just really help us long term as a community, and we can, we hope to further expand all of our healthcare services. So hopefully you'll see a lot more from us. moving
That's
forward.
exciting.
Yeah, it's
That
very
is so
exciting.
exciting. Jenna Wright with TidalHealth, your docs in. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Thank you
for coming in.
Thank you so much.